Hello, it's George with Watchman German Shepherds. Here we are again with the world's cutest litter. These guys really are cute. Don't take offense to it. I'm sure your puppy is the world's cutest too. I just happen to have 8 of them here. What are you doing? 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 Look at that one there with the ears. What are you doing? Yeah, they're very responsive, interactive. Really, really cute. They're 7 weeks old today. They go home next week. So, what are you doing, Bruiser? What are you doing? And look at you. What are you doing? And you. What's going on there? Yeah. Well, just doing a little cleanup here, nighttime cleanup, and I wanted to just catch a little cuteness video again. Can't help it with these guys. Yeah, what's the thing? All right, puppies, Dad's gonna come play. We have a little playtime every night. Dad's gonna come play. Just got a few things. Alrighty. Well, it's George with Watchman German Shepherds. Reva's litter, 8 puppies. The world's cutest German Shepherd litter. And see, they're starting to yawn and getting to be bedtime. So, anyway, until next time, thank you for subscribing, sharing, liking, comments, questions. Check out the website, watchmangsd.com. And above all, as always, the Lord bless you as you trust Him. Have a great day. Have a great Christmas holiday and New Year. Put up other videos, Lord willing, but you just have a great holiday season.